There are many different platforms available for web development these days, and it would be hard to choose the right fit without knowledge of what is available.
Every development platform has different strengths and weaknesses, and developers will often recommend a platform to a client based on their familiarity with the technology. This video should help inform you of the positives and negatives of common platforms so you can make the best decision.
Be careful of the misconception that certain platforms rank better in search. This is simply not true. If a website is properly built and managed, search engines, and now AI, will not discriminate when ranking.
This is a common unethical tactic that some developers use to lead clients to choose a platform that they are more familiar with.
The first platform to look at is WordPress. Roughly 44% of websites online today are built in WordPress. Therefore, support is much easier to find.
A WordPress website does not tie an organization down to a particular developer and creates options for the client. Additionally, WordPress has a robust library of plugins that make functional changes fast, easy, and generally inexpensive. Most small and mid-sized businesses do great with WordPress as their platform.
Another very common platform is Shopify. About 10% of websites are built in Shopify, and you have likely used this platform to order products. Shopify offers excellent technology for commerce and has many apps available to accommodate all types of requirements, subscriptions being one popular utility. Shopify works well for organizations who run a significant number of transactions online and/or use the internet as their primary storefront. Webflow is a platform that is gaining some popularity as of late. Less than 1% of websites are built in Webflow.
Marketing/agencies often utilize this platform because it focuses on design/visual development. While market share has doubled in the last year or so, it is still difficult to find developers who specialize in this platform, so options are somewhat limited.
Additionally, the internet landscape currently favors function over design, i.e., over 70% of views are mobile, so a WordPress or Shopify website is often a better solution for small and mid-sized businesses.
Do-it-yourself platforms are quite popular for organizations lacking the budget to have a website professionally built. Platforms like Wix and Squarespace dominate the DIY space.
These platforms are excellent for folks with small budgets who would like to set up their own web presence. Home-based businesses, sole proprietorships, or part-time ventures and successfully create a website on a DIY platform. Small and mid-sized businesses should avoid DIY platforms and go with WordPress or Shopify, depending on requirements.
When in doubt, hiring a professional firm who has knowledge and experience with more than one platform will be your best bet.